Hi there, ukulele friends. I just wanted to do a little vlogging here to follow up on my project, which is vlog every day in August. And did I make every day? Oh, heck no. But it's okay. It really is okay. You know, one of the things is I kept thinking, it took up so much of my mental energy to think of what to do for the next day or something. And I have a lot of other things on my plate too. Started the school year and it was a very rocky start because there was a big server transfer, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. I've been doing my tutorials. I got 4 tutorials out, I think, in August. And I've got another one that's in the works. My collaboration with Lisa Webb is just, is that close? But I wanted to update you on some things. Do you remember this little guy that and I had a heck of a time figuring out how to get it to stick on. Well, now that I'm over that learning curve, it's working really well, and I'm having a great time with it. It stays put, but I can easily take it off. You just kind of twist, and it comes off. 3M, I think, makes the command strips that do that. If you've ever worked with a command strip, well, same thing, it doesn't mess up the finish on my ukulele, and I love the sound. I just have a really dinky little amp, but I don't know if you can appreciate the difference. I'll play something for you. That's something I'm working on for a performance in October 10th. Slip out the black jack, make a new plan, stand, no need to be coy, Roy, just listen to me. Hop on the bus, Gus, no need to discuss much, drop out the keely, get yourself free. She says it grieves me so to see you in such pain. I wish there was something I could do to make you smile again. I said I appreciate that. And would you please explain about the 50 ways? All right, so next thing you know, I'm going to go all electric like Mr. Keebler. If you haven't seen Mr. Keebler in his channel, you got to do that, right? So I wanted to update you on that. I'm really happy with that. Other update, so I dipped down to the floor to show you. I still have headstock ornaments. Did I make my goal of $500? No, I didn't. But I think I'm up to, I did $290. $290 went to Survivor Girl because you responded and bought headstock ornaments. I just sent another one out this week. Got a lot more of the $15 ones. But I've got, I wanted to show this one. This is a beautiful little one. I don't know if you can see. It's got this weave in it. Kind of think of like a cable knit sweater. Well, the macrame knots do this little curvy thing. It's really cool. I just have a few of the $20 ones left. But if you like a bright, colorful one that's a little bit bigger, I don't know if they're showing. Anyway, it's a clunky process. I will not lie. I am not an Etsy shop, and I'm not in the business of selling these. I didn't buy these. I was given these to sell at the festivals I was going to, and through folk school classes and things like that. And well, that's not happening. So thanks to everybody that bought one of those. So now I'm working on, in October, I'm going to be doing adult tutorials alongside of kid tutorials. And what I learned, I'm going to turn the volume off on this. What I learned from doing that was the vlog is that I can do a lot more video capacity. I can, I can spit things out faster, at least on the recording end. And I think I can get my editing up a little bit. But my next project, besides the kids, is also, I'm an Instagram idiot. And so I'm trying to get myself more up to speed and posting things on Instagram. I mean, I don't know what the heck a story is, and Instagram TV, I haven't a clue. I don't watch it, I don't think. I don't know. I'm gonna get that figured out, but I'll give myself more if that's a 90-day project on that. So anywho, oops, there's a bug that keeps flipping around my bangs here. I'll be putting out another kids tutorial tomorrow. I want to thank everybody that has been supporting me. If you can share out, I post on Facebook, and if you can share those out to people, because I know that there's teachers, I know that there's parents that are going to want to have their kids do something that is fun and joyful and satisfies your spirit. And I think the ukulele is just a perfect instrument to do that. So if you can help me to spread the ukulele love, oh my gosh, I would so appreciate that. So if you are the one of the 2 people left still watching this video to the end, thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.